Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the screen recording toggle, which will be on one of the pages, so if you don't see it on the first one, just swipe to the left till you find this toggle right here. Screen recorder, tap on it, choose your settings right here. You can record camera, touches, and also sound, and you can choose what kind of sound, microphone system, both or none. Select record, so we can count down, and then start recording. So from here, whatever you'll do will be recorded by the device. There are some limitations. Not every application can be recorded by screen recorder because some apps can just straight up block it without your permission, while you haven't given the application permission to do anything. You know, go figure. Apps, you need to grant permission to apps to give away your data, but the other way around, it doesn't really work. Anyway, once you're done, you can click on the square to stop the recording, and from there let's open up our gallery application, which should be here in the Google folder. There we go, photos. There we go, and from here you want to navigate to library and find a screenshot album. Oh, there we go, you can see it's cut out a bit, but you can see it here. So you can tap on it. Oh, screen recordings, my bad, not screenshots. And there we go, it's now playing. Now, if you ever encounter the apps that cannot be recorded, what you will end up having is a straight up black screen. And I do want to clarify this. When it comes down to screenshots, you'll get a pop-up that you can't do this. When it comes down to screen recordings, it will just record the app, but you won't see anything in it when playing it back. You will have just straight up black screen, and that will be your entire recording till you close the application. So that's one thing. And one more info is, when you find such an application that cannot be recorded, there is no setting for you to toggle off so you can record it. So such an application just decides to, nah, you can't record, and go screw yourself, basically. So there's no workaround to it, as far as I know, no settings to turn off. Maybe if your phone is has an unlocked bootloader or whatever, you could somehow have a work around it, but like I said, I never really tried that. So default ways, no way that I know of. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.